Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. NumPy Broadcasting Tutorial. Broadcasting is a powerful feature in NumPy that allows arithmetic operations on arrays of different shapes and sizes. It automatically expands the smaller array across the larger array so that they have compatible shapes for operations. This can lead to more concise and efficient code. Key concepts of broadcasting. 1. Array shapes. 2 arrays are compatible for broadcasting if they have the same number of dimensions, or one of the arrays has a size of 1 in 1 or more dimensions. 2. Broadcasting rules. If the arrays have different numbers of dimensions, the smaller dimensional array is padded with 1s on the left side until both arrays have the same number of dimensions. The sizes of the dimensions are compared element-wise. 2 dimensions are compatible when they are equal, or one of them is 1. 3. Resulting shape. The resulting array's shape is determined by taking the maximum size along each dimension. Example of broadcasting. Let's go through some practical examples to illustrate how broadcasting works in NumPy. Example 1. Basic broadcasting. Output. Explanation. In this example, the 1D array A is broadcast to match the shape of the 2D array B. The A array is effectively expanded to. Then, element-wise addition is performed. Example 2, broadcasting with higher dimensions. Output. Explanation. Here, the 1D array D is broadcast to match the shape of the 3D array C. The D array effectively expands to, and then the addition is performed element-wise. Conclusion. Broadcasting is a powerful feature of NumPy that allows for efficient computation without the need for explicit looping. It can significantly simplify the code when working with arrays of different shapes. Understanding how broadcasting works can help you write more efficient and cleaner numerical code in Python. Tips for using broadcasting. 1. Check shapes. Always check the shapes of your arrays with array.shape to understand how broadcasting will work. 2. Use np.nwaxis. You can use np.nwaxis, or none, to add new dimensions to an array for easier broadcasting. 3. Avoid unintended broadcasting. Make sure the shapes are as intended, as unexpected broadcasting can lead to bugs in your calculations. With these concepts in mind, you can leverage broadcasting in your NumPy operations to create efficient and readable code.